Hi everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today I'm going to talk about a season extender called a cloche. A cloche basically operates under the same principles as a cold frame, and I did a video earlier on that is intended to warm up the soil, protect your plants if they've germinated, and help harden off your seedlings. But a cloche is smaller than a cold frame and is perfect for the small garden or container. It basically is a translucent piece of material that you put on top of your plant, and it could either be plastic or glass. And you do want it to be able to have a little bit of a vent so that your plants don't overheat. If it doesn't have a vent, you may need to take the cloche off the plant. A very easy cloche that you can make yourself is using a gallon milk jug that is over. You cut out the bottom and then you just put it right on top of your plant. Whether it's in a container or in the ground, it's not going to matter. And then just don't keep the cap on, and that will let the excess heat go out. And even if the temperature drops, you're still protecting your plant from frost, so it should be nice and protected. Another option is you can cut the bottom off of a 2-liter plastic bottle and use those. You can buy more expensive ones, but there's lots of different variations that you can make for your cloche. And what's nice is you can put it on the individual plant if you wanted to as well. This is a cloche that I made from a propagation dome that I don't really use. So this is about 8 inches high, so it doesn't need to be heated very much. I have it secured in the ground with earth staples. Regardless what you use to make your cloche, or if you buy one, you want to make sure you have something to secure it into the ground so that if you have a stiff wind, you're not suddenly going to lose your top and expose your plant. What this has on the top is these dials that I can open and close to regulate the temperature. And I'm going to keep those pretty wide open because I've planted some peas in here and they really prefer a cooler climate, but I'm trying to warm up the soil. Thank you for watching.